What's going on YouTube? This is me Dishan Hormuz and back with another hot crypto project. Today just want to talk about Celsius. I want to give you complete detail about this one project and all the little link about this one project you will be getting in the video description. So you can check them all one by one before I start. A small disclaimer. This is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And please make sure if you are new to channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Dishan Hormuz. So let's get started regarding Celsius. Basically, what is Celsius? What is the future of Celsius? What can they do in the past? So I just want to clarify every point about this one project. Basically, you can see earn and grow with Celsius. Meet Celsius, a community of over 1 million users that earn up to 17% yield on their crypto. Get paid now coins every week and borrow cash at 1%. Buy coins, earn yield, draw and transfer who no fees. Available on web and mobile app. Basically, if you look to this one project, you can also sign up this one project, and this project is completely work on yield farming. You know about yield farming. If you want to stake any project in this one platform, you will be able to get a passive yield from their side, like up to 17%. You can see right over here. And after that, there is a man in assist is almost 18.9 billion, and you can Celsius user is 1.6 million plus, and yield and rewards paid since launch in 2018. It is almost 830 million plus, and you can see 109k plus BTC. So this is also too much pretty good for this one project. And after that, you can see earn up to 17% APY paid every week. You can start earning top rates on any amount of crypto and get paid every Monday to keep holding. Plus you can get up to 30% more reward when you choose to earn in Cell token. Basically, the seal is the main symbol of the Celsius network. So basically, if you look to this one project, they just want to clarify this point. If you want to hold for some time, if you want to hold for 1 month or 2 months any project in this one platform, you will be on your APY will be almost up to you can see up to 30%. By you can see, I just want to clarify this point, how much we hold any project. You can see start earning top rates amount paid every Monday to keep. Basically, if you want to hold up to 1 week any project, your farming yield will be up to 30% more. For more rewards, you'll be get more rewards from their sides. Time to celebrate your crypto made you 157.32 in yield this week. See what you could be earning. So there is some detail about that. You can also study about that, but I just want to scroll down. You can see you unbank yourself in 4 steps. You can see get Celsius on web. You can also buy this one project on Android, because this project is also have a separate app on mobile, and as well as you can also install from iPhone mobile. You know about iOS, and verify yourself. First of all, you must be verify yourself on that, and transfer your crypto on and borrow in minutes. So after that, you simple transfer your any project like Ethereum, any type of project, simply you transfer to that. After that, you will be able to earn passive yield from that sites, and you know about that. Get paid every Monday. You will be also get paid every Monday about your yield farming. So this is some important detail about this project, and this project is too much best for us. You know about this, because I just want to clear this one point. No holding fees. You can see no gas fees, and if you look, no transfer fees, and you can see no organization fees, no withdrawal fees. So this is too much pretty good for this. Everyone we do not at Celsius is designed for unparalleled access to fair, rewarding financial services. Fees to hold people back, so we remove them. But we didn't stop there. So basically, this is too much pretty good for this, because if you look to PancakeSwap, they also just want to different type of leverage from you. And if you look to other projects like MetaMask, so they also just want to pay almost highest gas fee from you. But if you look to this one project have no any fees, no any type of fees of withdraw and holding, and as well as, so this is too much pretty this is a too much important project for us, and you must be participating in that. and you can see our focus on transparency. This is some detail about our focus on transparency. You can also study about that, and this project is also have a more and more events in upcoming time, so you must be participating in that. You have a question, we have an answer. Basically this is some detail about you know about some important question about this one project. You can also check out the main question. You can see how can I withdraw my coins from Celsius network. You must know about it. First of all, you simply watch to their network. This is a project of Ethereum blockchain, or this is a Binance Smart Chain project. So first of all, you simply look for that. After that, you simply add your address and you will be able to withdraw from this one places. How do I create and register a Celsius account? So this is also too much simple. And what is the best way to protect my Celsius amount? So it is also too much. First of all, you won't share your personal password and personal your account key, so your balance will be safe in this one project. How do I activate a promo code? So it is also too much important. You can also easily activate your promo code. It is not too much more difficult. When do I start earning reward? So basically, if you withdraw your balance, if you transfer your balance to Celsius network, after that you will simply stake your crypto projects. So after that your earning will be start, your reward will be start. How do you apply for a stable loan? So you can also apply for a stable loan, but I am not recommended that. And how can I transfer coin to Celsius? So this is also too much important, because there's a many people who are select the change network, so that's why it is also too much important. You must be first of all check to the main network of any project like Ethereum blockchain or Binance Smart Chain. So if you look to that, after that you will be able to easily transfer your coins from other exchanges to Celsius network. And if you look to the main community is almost 215.2k followers, means that community is also too much better. So I'm recommended this one project after to watch the complete detail about this one project. I just want to give you some important detail. How can you buy this one project? So simply you can also buy this one project from FTX, Get.io, Bitfinex and FTX Liquid. I'm recommended to buy this one project from FTX because FTX is too much flexible. So you simply buy from FTX. After to check out some important detail about this one project, just want to scroll down and you can see the all-time high of this one project is a 9th month ago, and it is almost 8.02, 62.84% off right now. And if you look to all-time low, this is just 3 years ago, and it is almost 13,241.41%. You can see 0.02235 is the all-time low of this one project. So basically this project is important for us, but right now I'm not recommended, because you can see if you find out this one project almost on 2 point, I just wanted to clear this point. You can see if you want to find this one project almost 2.388, so in that time you must be participating in this one project, and you will be get a huge and passive return from this one side. So this is all detail about this one project. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Shan Hormones. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video.